name is Danielle McCullagh. I'm a corporate tax associate in Deloitte. There's kind of two sides to it. So on the compliance side, we would prepare clients' corporation tax returns. We'd look after their filing deadlines and payment deadlines throughout the year. And then on the advisory side of things, we would give tax advice on different transactions. So if a client was doing a restructuring or a group refinancing, mergers and acquisitions, that kind of thing, we'd give advice on the tax implications of those transactions. So in any week, I could be doing a range of those things. So you definitely need organizational skills. In any day, you can have a range of tasks on your desk. You need to be able to prioritize those, decide which ones are most important and which ones you need to get to immediately. You also need to have good communication skills. So on an engagement, you might be in constant communication with the client, and you're also in communication with your teams. And you might be working with more than one team within the department. So it's important to be able to communicate to them your workload and how tasks are progressing and things like that. So I get to work with a range of different clients across various industries, and I get a good insight into those industries, what the clients are doing and what's going on. I find that really interesting. I also like working with the range of different teams. So I might be working with a couple of teams within the department, or there might be cross collaboration across the firm. So I get to meet new people and work with new people all the time, and I really like that part of it. I did business and law in college, so it was two sides to it. So the law side definitely helps me with tax, because in tax there's a lot of reading and interpreting legislation and things like that. So law definitely helps me there. And then on the business side, I did some accountancy and tax modules, which definitely helped me with studying for my exams and things like that. But you don't necessarily need an accountancy or law background. You get loads of training on the job and things like that. But they were just some things in college that definitely helped me. Third year I decided to do an internship, and I actually did an internship with Deloitte in the consultancy department, and I really enjoyed that. But at the end of the internship I decided that I wanted to do my financial accounting and my tax exams. So I asked Deloitte whether it was possible for me to switch into the tax department, and they offered me an interview with tax, and then I went from that internship and then started in tax the next year. The reason I picked Deloitte was because I really enjoyed the application process. I enjoyed the interview. I found it more like a chat. It was quite informal and I really enjoyed that, and that was one thing I liked about Deloitte, so that's why I decided to go with them.